Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see how to convert Zoho Writer doc file to PDF without use any third-party application. It's very easy. In this video, I will show you two different tricks. One is online portal as well as the application I already installed on my Mac operating. So let's see how to use and how to convert Word file to PDF file. Let's check it out. So first of all, I just simply open here Zoho Writer. I already installed this one. How to install? I already make a several video related on this topic. I just simply open here. Comes in docx. I want to save this one as a PDF format. Just simply enter here file. Previously, if you familiar with Microsoft services, so you should enter here file, export, and just select which extension you want, but such kind of feature is not showing here yet. But another one of the interesting tips and tricks you should apply, you just simply say command P. It means you can give the instruction as a print instruction for this particular document. Here is the print, and here bottom of the screen PDF is showing. Just simply tap and boom, the document automatically convert PDF extension, save the desktop. I just simply say here demo save. Now this is the Word file. I just simply show it to you as a PDF file. Very easy to convert Word document to PDF document using these tips and tricks. Another tips and tricks I will show you. This is the online start writing. Zoho Writer online portal is also available. No need to install the software. I just simply open this resume here. I want save this file as it is and PDF format. So here the file format is available, and just simply say here download. Inside the download, you want download, convert this one as a Microsoft Word document, password protected, and here we are targeting PDF document as well as protected PDF document. So I just simply say PDF document, generating the PDF. Depend upon how much large file you have. My file is just 4 page. The PDF document is downloaded in download folder. If I open here, so the document store or convert as a PDF format. Here the same tricks and tricks you should upload here Microsoft doc file as well and convert PDF file, convert as a PDF protected file using these tips and tricks. If you have any question related on Zoho services, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.